Good day, everyone. Thanks for joining us here in the charts. This is the Market Beast, Napoleon Macro. I found a pattern in the Bitcoin price action. Looks like it's pending a breakout within the next 48 hours. So we're going to explore that in this video. We're going to go over a few levels just to know, what's going on in the price, whether it's going up or down. Okay. So that's what we'll do. Excuse me. Welcome back, loyal family. If you're new here, we explore price action. New subscribers, welcome in. Let's go ahead and dive into this one pattern that I found in the charts here, shall we? So today's September the 18th, 2021, and the current price of Bitcoin, $48,124.00. It's slightly negative 0.3% for the day. Okay. All right. Hopefully, guys, you're doing awesome out there. This is a really simple setup. We're taking a look at the 12-hour candles. Here's the pattern. All right. Rising wedge pattern. It is a bearish pattern that is found in a bullish trajectory, which means that I'm pretty sure the performance of this pattern will not be good, okay? Because when you find a bearish pattern within a bullish trajectory, they typically don't perform well, okay? Now, this is a potential pattern. It has not broken out. Again, guys, maybe this is an incorrect pattern. I'm not sure, but I just definitely wanted to kind of bring this to your attention as we're noticing the wicks of the 12-hour candles. It is finding resistance at that ascending line. So far, it is finding support at the ascending line just below the rising wedge. And if you notice over here, just a lot more wicks. So I think it's a pretty legitimate pattern. So we'll know within the next 48 hours. So let's see if we can get a break up or a break down. Rising wedges typically break to the downside, but it's too early for me to call. And if it's going to break higher, it needs to get higher. Then here's the levels, and it's a short video, guys. The level for the buyers to just kind of break out to the upside within the next 48 hours would be $48,800, okay? So if you see a nice push to the upside, near that level or above that level, it's likely breaking to the upside of this rising wedge. Guys, rising wedges, sometimes they do break out to the upside, but I mean, again, we'll know that in due time. The lower portion of this rising wedge, as this 12-hour just kind of open here on this 12-hour candle at September the 18th. The lower level is going to be at like $47,700. That would have to result in a wick only so that the buyers can just kind of step in and push a price to the upside above 48,800 in the short term. Okay, so that's kind of the range right now, 48.8. But even as low as $47,600, that must act as a quick launch pad if the market moves lower here in the short term. Okay, that is the buyer's obligation. Okay, but yeah, we'll have a breakout. I'll hopefully just leave this on the chart, so we'll just kind of revisit this in due time, maybe within the next 24 hours to see if we're getting a breakout. And that is how we're going to end the video. Unfortunately, I don't have a prediction in terms of which direction. I do realize on the last video, we said the market could go up to $49,600, but I did say give it like a week. So remember, there's going to be fluctuations, guys. I still think that it could go up to $49,600. We have to give it time. But I mean, if it starts breaking below the previous swing lows, then we may have to just kind of scratch that target out until the short term, until we can just kind of figure out where Bitcoin is going. I'm still going to say it's going to the upside. The swing low, let me give you that swing low. It's going to be at $47,200. So I literally just gave you like 3 levels to understand in the market. $47,200 will be breaking below the previous swing low. If this is a legitimate pattern, it's going to be some sort of launch pad near the $47,600 level. That is under the assumption that the buyers are here and they're protecting this pattern. Okay. And of course, the break higher level, 48,800. That's pretty much all I have, guys. So hopefully you enjoyed that. That's the end of the video. So if you can kindly leave an appropriate thumb just below the video, I would appreciate that. And if you're new here, before you go, we also explored the regular stocks 7 days a week. Kindly join us here on this interesting journey, and we'll send you that out momentarily, okay? So be sure to take care of yourselves out there. Remember to execute your strategies, guys. Have to have a strategy in the market. Know where you're going to, your downside risk is more important than the upside. Will take care of itself. Keep that positive energy flowing, of course. We'll talk soon, everyone, and bye for now.